Welcome to CMedu News. In today's morning bulletin, we will thoroughly have a look at our Bollywood stars who are recently shining in Kashmir's terror attack controversies. So before moving forward, let's quickly have a look at today's top stories. Pakistani artists are not terrorists, says Salman Khan. Hema Malini appreciates Pakistani artists but says no comments when asked about artists being banned. After making insulting comments against the army, Om Puri pleads to be punished and apologizes for his act. Nana Patekar comments on banned Pakistani actors and states that country comes first and hits out loud at Salman Khan. Finally, at the last but not the least, Pakistani artists Myra Khan, Myra Hussain and Ali Azmat reacts to the growing tension between India and Pakistan and of course on the growing terrorism. It seems like terrorism in India is directly affecting our Bollywood industry, so let's have a look at headlines in detail. The Indian Motion Picture Producers Association passed a resolution on Thursday to ban Pakistani actors from the industry in the wake of Uri attack. The resolution came after the Indian Army announced that 7 terror launch pads were targeted across the LOC by special forces during surgical strikes. Pakistani artists are just the artists and not terrorists. Terrorism and art are two different subjects, says Salman Khan.
वो कलाकार हैं, ये दो अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. वो टेररिस्ट थे, ये कलाकार हैं. आप क्या मानती हैं कि कलाकार टेररिस्ट हैं? वीज़ा लेके आते हैं, कौन देता है उनको वीज़ा? हमारी गवर्नमेंट देती है उनको वीज़ा. वर्क परमिट हमारी गवर्नमेंट देती है उनको.
And not just this, other stars like Daisy Shah, Kriti Sanon, Nana Patekar and even Raj Thakre slammed Salman Khan over his statement on banning Pakistani actors. A veteran actress and politician Hema Malini says that she appreciates the work of Pakistani actors but cannot say if they should stay in India or not.
कलाकार हैं, वो भी कलाकार हैं और हमारे यहाँ भी और अच्छे कलाकार वहाँ के जाके परफॉर्म करते हैं. They are very good artists. They perform very well. I mean, as an artist, I can appreciate their work. But उनको यहाँ पे रहना चाहिए, उनको निकल जाना चाहिए, उनको इसमें नहीं आना चाहिए. इन सब बातों को मैं जवाब दूँ.
Moreover, she also states that I don't want to comment much on this controversial question, although the actress also reacts on the social networking sites.
Hema Malini later tweeted on her Twitter handle she doesn't support Pakistani artists working in India. I would like to say that I am 100% with our Jawans who are fighting and dying for our country and don't support Pakistani artists working here. Jai Hind. The 67-year-old actress also lauded the Indian Army for the surgical strikes on terror launch pads and wrote, "Our army has done a great job with the surgical strikes and the whole country should be supportive of them. Why ask for proof of action? Unheard of."
Recently, on the issue of Indian Jawans killed during the Uri attacks of September 18, in a TV debate, senior actor Om Puri ended up by saying,
हमने किसी को फोर्स किया कि तुम फौज में जाओ. He further said, prepare 15-20 people as suicide bomber and send them to Pakistan. Not just this, when a political leader argued with him saying he is defending Pakistani artists as he wants to work with Salman Khan and not rub him the wrong way, Om Puri went to the extent of saying, I give a damn about Salman Khan or any other Khan. These statements from an actor of this caliber have indeed surprised a lot of people in the industry and the nation.
After 24 hours of criticism and a police complaint, Puri was found guilty and then he apologized for his comments.
उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा शर्मिंदा हूँ. बौखलाहट में मेरे मुंह से ये शब्द निकला कि किसने कहा था उन्हें आर्मी ज्वाइन करने के लिए, जो कि बड़ी शर्मनाक और ह्यूमिलिएटिंग स्टेटमेंट है मेरे लिए. मैं अपने को माफ नहीं कर सकता हूँ आसानी से.
We will be right back after a short break.
अरे ये क्या कर रही है? आज ना दीदी फिर से रो रही थी. क्यों? दीदी कह रही थी उसे स्कूल जाना है, तो पापा ने बोला तू स्कूल नहीं जा सकती, स्कूल से भैया जाएगा. इसलिए मैंने सोच लिया है कि मैं भी भैया जैसे बाल काट के भैया जैसे कपड़े भी पहन लूँगी और फिर सबको लगेगा कि मैं लड़का हूँ और फिर मुझे भी स्कूल जाने मिलेगा। फिर मेरी चौक आएगी, मेरी स्लेट आएगी।
Welcome back. Another senior actor, Nana Patekar, recently opened up on the entire controversy. He says country comes first, and that's it. He also added that Bollywood people are tribal, fake people. You know who I am talking about. Whosoever is saying so many things, don't give them so much attention.
बॉर्डर पे हमारे जो उनकी तरफ से जो जवान हैं हमारी तरफ से तैनात होते हैं। जब जंग नहीं छेड़ी हुई होती है तब वो एक दूसरे के साथ भाईचारे का व्यवहार होता है, लेकिन जब जंग छेड़ी जाती है तो एक दूसरे पे गोली मारते हैं। तो ये वो पर्सनल तो दुश्मन है नहीं ना वो, लेकिन ये हमारा पॉलिटिकल डिसीजन है, तो उसकी वजह से ये करना पड़ता है तो करना पड़ता है, और उसमें अगर कोई गलत है तो बताओ।
He also indirectly hinted out at Salman's stand on the issue by saying that
पाकिस्तानी कलाकार जो है उनको सलमान ने कहा वीज़ा दिया है गवर्नमेंट ने, सलमान ने कहा वो टेररिस्ट नहीं है। दोनों बातें सही है, लेकिन मैंने यही कहा जब जंग होती है दो देशों में, जब जंग हो रही है तो हमको अलग होना चाहिए।
ultimately the only reason why EMPA banned Pakistani actors was just because it's been 2 weeks since the Uri attack which killed 19 Indian soldiers, but none of the Pakistani artists like Farhad Khan, Raid Fateh Ali Khan, Atif Aslam, Ali Zafar and others bothered to condemn over the issue here in India. But now there is Myra Khan, Myra Hussain, Ali Azmat who have now finally reacted on the growing tension between India and Pakistan, and of course on the growing terrorism. Check out their reactions here.
There are Myra Khan, Myra Hussain and Ali Azmat who have now finally reacted on the growing tension between India and Pakistan. Myra Hussain: I strongly condemn all terror attacks. We must realize that a life lost is a life lost. The world needs to stand together against terrorism. Ali Azmat: let's not fight India-Pakistan. Only military-industrial complex wins. People lose every time. Pakistani singer and musician Quratulain Baloch shared a famous quote on her Twitter handle hinting at Pakistani artists who are mum on the tension between India and Pakistan. We must always take sides. Neutrality helps oppressor, never the victim. Silence encourages tormentor, never the tormented.
That's all for today. We truly wish for a peaceful and sound sleep for both the countries soon. See you in next bulletin. Thank you.